Welcome to the MOTO Freak Channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point, the Toyota 1.8 Vvti and 2ZR FAE engines are highly successful and widely used naturally aspirated gasoline engines, forming the backbone of many of Toyota's popular compact and midsize vehicles across the globe. Introduced as part of the ZR engine family in 2007, they replaced the earlier 1.8 Vvti engine and brought significant advancements in efficiency and refinement. Engine overview and history. Both the 2ZR FE and 2ZR FAE are 1.8-liter, 1,798 cubic centimeters, inline for gasoline engines. They are built with an aluminum alloy cylinder block and head, featuring a DOHC, dual overhead camshaft, design with 16 valves. A hallmark of these engines is dual VVTI, variable valve timing with intelligence, on both the intake and exhaust camshafts, which optimizes valve timing for improved performance, fuel economy, and reduced emissions across the engine's RPM range. They also utilize a timing chain for valve actuation, designed for the engine's lifetime. The key distinction, similar to the 1ZR series, lies in the FAE variant. 2ZR FE. This is the standard variant, equipped with dual VVTI and electronic port fuel injection. It's a very common engine found in numerous Toyota and Lexus models globally. 2ZR FE. This advanced variant incorporates Valvematic technology in addition to dual VVTI. Valvematic is Toyota's continuously variable valve lift system, which precisely controls the amount of intake valve lift and duration. This allows the engine to regulate intake air without relying solely on a traditional throttle body, leading to significant improvements in fuel efficiency, lower emissions, and enhanced throttle response. The 2ZR FAE typically has a slightly higher compression ratio, e.g., 10.5 to 1 versus 10.0 to 1 for the FE, and offers a modest increase in power and torque while being more efficient. The ZR engine family, 1ZR, 2ZR, 3ZR, was developed to improve upon the previous ZZ series, which had some notable issues, particularly with oil consumption in the 1ZZ FE. The ZR engines aim for higher thermal efficiency, better fuel economy, and enhanced reliability. Applications. The 2ZR FE and 2ZR FE are incredibly widespread and can be found in a vast array of Toyota and some Lexus models, including Toyota Corolla, numerous generations and variants globally. Toyota Matrix/Pontiac Vibe, North America. Toyota Auris. Toyota RAV4, some markets. Toyota Avensis. Toyota Verso. Toyota C-Char, some non-hybrid variants. Lexus CT200H, though primarily the 2ZR FXE hybrid variant. Scion XD/IM, North America. Lotus Elise/Exige, some 2ZR FAE variants. Opinions and review. Both 2ZR FE and 2ZR FAE engines are highly regarded for their reliability, durability, and excellent fuel economy for their displacement. They are often praised for their smooth operation and sufficient power for daily driving and light highway cruising. The 2ZR FE is considered a workhorse due to its proven track record and simplicity, while the 2ZR FAE is seen as a more refined and efficient option due to Valvematic. They continue Toyota's reputation for building long-lasting and low-maintenance powertrains. Advantages. Exceptional reliability. The 2ZR series has largely addressed the oil consumption issues of its 1ZZ predecessor, building a strong reputation for long-term dependability. Many units easily surpass 300,000 kilometers, 180,000 miles, with proper maintenance. Excellent fuel economy. Especially the 2ZR FAE with Valvematic, these engines deliver impressive mileage for naturally aspirated 1.8 units. Dual VVTI plays a crucial role in optimizing efficiency. Timing chain utilizes a robust timing chain system designed to last the life of the engine, which means no costly scheduled timing belt replacements. Smooth and refined operation. 4 naturally aspirated engines, They are quite smooth and relatively quiet in typical driving conditions, contributing to a comfortable cabin experience. Adequate power. They provide sufficient power for the compact and mid-size vehicles they power, offering good acceleration for daily commuting and highway driving, though not built for outright performance. Lower maintenance costs. Generally, parts are readily available and straightforward to service, contributing to lower overall running costs. Disadvantages. Modest performance. While adequate, they are not performance-oriented engines. Enthusiastic drivers might find them lacking in spirited acceleration, especially when fully loaded or climbing steep grades. Noise at higher RPMs. When pushed hard, particularly the 2ZR FE, the engine can become a bit buzzy or loud. Complexity of Valvematic. 2ZR FAE. While beneficial for efficiency, the Valvematic system adds mechanical complexity. If a component within this system fails, e.g., the continuously variable valve lift controller, repairs can be more involved and costly compared to the simpler 2ZR FE. Some anecdotal reports mention issues with this system in earlier Valvematic engines. Carbon buildup. Minor concern. While port injection, 2ZR FE, generally prevents carbon buildup on intake valves, the 2ZR FE still uses traditional port injection, so it is less of a concern compared to direct injection-only engines. However, like any engine, poor fuel quality or extended oil change intervals can lead to some deposits over time. Common faults and breakdowns. While the 2ZR FE/FA are known for their reliability, some issues have been noted. Increased oil consumption. Early 2ZR FE. While improved from the 1ZZ FE, some early 2ZR FE engines had reports of higher than expected oil consumption, possibly due to piston ring design. This typically improved in later production runs. Regular oil level checks are recommended. VVTi actuator rattle. A common issue with VVTi systems across many Toyota engines is a brief rattling noise on cold startup, often caused by a failing VVTi gear or actuator that isn't holding oil pressure properly. While usually not immediately critical, it can be an annoyance. Water pump leaks. The water pump is a wear item on many engines, and leaks can develop over high mileage. Ignition coil failures. Similar to other modern engines, ignition coils can occasionally fail, leading to misfires and a rough idle. This is a relatively easy fix. Valvematic controller issues. 2ZR FE as mentioned under disadvantages, some anecdotal reports and service bulletins, though less common than the VVTi rattle, have pointed to issues with the continuously variable valve lift controller in early 2ZR FAE engines, potentially leading to P264A codes and requiring replacement, which could be an expensive repair due to labor. Fuel consumption. Fuel efficiency is a strong point for both engines, particularly the 2ZR FE. 2ZR FE, e.g., Toyota Corolla 1.8 combined fuel consumption typically ranges from 7.0 to 8.5 L/100 km, 28 to 33 mpg US/33 to 40 mpg UK, depending on the vehicle weight, transmission, manual/CVT/automatic, and driving conditions. 2ZR FE, e.g., Toyota Corolla 1.8 Valvematic. Thanks to Valvematic, these tend to be more efficient, often achieving combined figures of 6.5 to 7.5 L/100 km, 31 to 36 mpg US/38 to 43 mpg UK. The 2ZR FXC hybrid version, found in the Prius and Corolla hybrid, achieves significantly better fuel economy due to its Atkinson cycle operation and hybrid synergy drive. Timing. Both the Toyota 2ZR FE and 2ZR FAE engines utilize a timing chain system. This is a durable design intended to last the entire service life of the engine, meaning there are no scheduled replacement intervals like with a timing belt. This contributes to lower long-term maintenance costs and increased reliability. Oil. Recommended engine oil. Toyota generally recommends 0W, 20, or 5W, 20 full synthetic engine oil for optimal fuel economy and cold start protection. In some climates, or for specific model years, 5W, 30, or even 10W, 30 may be listed as acceptable alternatives. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and specific recommendation for your model year and region. Engine oil capacity. The oil capacity is typically around 4.2 to 4.4 liters, 4.4 to 4.6 U.S. quarts, with a filter change. It is crucial to always verify the exact capacity in your owner's manual and to use the dipstick to confirm the correct oil level after filling. Regular oil level checks are important. Versions. Within the 2ZR designation, the primary naturally aspirated gasoline versions are 2ZR FE, standard dual VVTi, port injection. 2ZR FE, dual VVTi with Valvematic, port injection. 2ZR FXC. This is a dedicated Atkinson cycle variant of the 2ZR, specifically designed for hybrid applications, e.g., Toyota Prius, Corolla Hybrid, Lexus CT200H. It optimizes thermal efficiency for hybrid synergy drive systems. 2ZR FB, a flex fuel version of the 2ZR FE used in some markets. These engines are cornerstones of Toyota's efficient and reliable naturally aspirated powertrain offerings, embodying the brand's reputation for dependable and economical vehicles. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.